Alright folks, so I'm excited to talk about these. These are the matcha flavored Pockies. I've had the chocolate flavored Pocky, which is the basic flavor that they have. So it's a thin wafer tube with chocolate in the middle. They give you a whole bunch of Pockies in a box. Sometimes you can find them in like little containers, but sometimes you can find them in big containers like these. So up close and personal with that, so you can let that focus in. Yeah, there's the back of the box. So we'll get right into it. Alright, so you have your bag here. Alright, so, oh man. Yeah, you've got a ton of these. I would definitely recommend splitting these with somebody, because oh, and it's only $2.50 per box, so an exceptionally good deal. So you take one out. Yeah, like I said, they're long, thin sticks. They're kind of like pretzels, but they're just dipped in. They're just dipped in that green tea flavoring. Yeah, these would be great with milk or coffee. It's not a strong flavor, but it definitely does enhance the experience. So if you do like matcha green tea, I would definitely give these a try. Yeah, I think these are addicting too. Yeah, that was Pockies. If there's other flavors of Pockies you want us to try, leave a like and a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.